Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to be working on comparing fractions. The difference with today is that we are going to be comparing fractions with different denominators. Again, the number on top is called a numerator, the number on bottom is called a denominator, and we will be working with different denominators and comparing them without having the advantage of a picture to help us to compare. So the way that we do that is that if we don't have a common denominator, we have to kind of create one. So for example, here in number 7, problem 7, we have 7/9 and 2/3. And so in order to be able to compare which one is bigger than the other, we have to figure out a common denominator. So we're going to say to ourselves, okay, we see 7/9. We want to create something with a 9th so that we're able to compare it. So that is how I got the 9 in the denominator down here. Then I'm going to do what I've done on our last 2 lessons, which is to say to myself, what number do I need to multiply to get 9? 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, if I multiply by 3 on the bottom, I need to do that on the top. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2/3 is equal to 6/9. But that isn't the end of our problem, because now we have to compare the two. So we have to say 2/3, and if 2/3 is the same as 6/9, that's going to be less than 7/9. So 2/3 is less than 7/9. So let's just go over that one more time because it can be a bit tricky. So first we see that we have two fractions. They do not have a common denominator, but we want to be able to compare them. So we take the denominator in 7/9 when we bring that down here. So the 9 down here. Then we figure out 3 times what equals 9. The answer to that is 3. Whatever we do below, we do above. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 2 times 3 equals 6. That lets us know that 2/3 equals 6/9. Now we've got to say to ourselves, with that information, if 2/3 is the same as 6/9, is 6/9 bigger or smaller than 7/9? And it is smaller than 7/9. So 2/3, which again equals 6/9, 2/3 is less than 7/9. So you'll do exactly the same thing on problems 8 and 9. On the back, they're giving you a number line to be able to compare fractions. So here they are giving you a bit of a picture. So for example, here you can see 2/3 is definitely less than 3/4. So 2/3 is less than 3/4. So you'll use the number line to answer these problems. And then we will use the number line as a way to practice some more on IXL. All right, thank you.